We make tech easy so that you can make guests happy. We're able to help in all areas of the property.
From procurement and installation to ongoing support, we provide end-to-end solutions in guest rooms, common areas, and outdoor spaces.
Our hospitality team have account managers ready to help with all of your property needs, meaning that they're industry experts. They work closely with all of our top partners to provide best pricing and the right solution. They will also work very closely with our system integrators to ensure that the property is receiving the right solution. If the project's needing to be completed in phases, we're able to accommodate the schedule, working closely with your property. We're also trained and equipped to scale, meaning that we can leverage all of our Geek Squad network, finishing 300 TVs easily within a matter of days. We pride ourselves in being one of the top providers in hospitality TVs with both the major brands LG and Samsung.
As the nation's largest retail recycler of used electronics and appliances, we make it easy for your property to dispose of old technology safely and responsibly. Whether it's outfitting hundreds of rooms with hospitality TVs or creating an IT solution for your entire hotel, Best Buy Business is here to be your technology partner.